how to open YouTube on Google Chrome on Android. If you like to use the YouTube application, but then maybe you want to go ahead and then just use the Chrome application on your Google Chrome instead of on the application, it's fairly simple to do so. To use YouTube on Google Chrome on Android, open up Google Chrome browser and just type in youtube.com and hit the enter button. Now when you go to youtube.com, it will automatically keep you on the mobile website, which is m.youtube.com. Now you can simply go ahead and select a video that you wish to watch. Here you can see I have been successfully able to watch. Now if you want to enable further features, you can hit the three dots icon next to Chrome, enable desktop site, and you'll be able to view the video in full desktop format. This way you can open YouTube in Chrome on Android. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon, as always, in our next video.